When you receive your rock and mineral kit, you'll see that it contains a few things, and there are also a few things you'll want to add. First things first are the safety rules. So you'll have a little piece of paper that describes the safety rules for handling a specific mineral in this kit. This is going to be mineral number 11. Now, mineral number 11 is a lead sulfide, and because it contains lead, there are health and safety warnings for handling this mineral. So be sure to read this before you begin handling this particular mineral. You'll also receive an introductory study guide within your rock and mineral kit, and it covers a lot of the things that we will be covering in our lecture and in our lab. And if you're interested in going through each mineral, it's a really great idea to go through this. And there's some very helpful charts towards the back that helps you understand how the different rocks are classified. And again, here's the rock cycle. It's a lot of great information in this little guide, and it repeats and reiterates some of the things that we study both in lecture and in lab. Finally, this is the most important item within your rock and mineral kit other than the rocks and minerals, and that is your list of the rocks and minerals that you have. So they are numbered, and you'll want to take a look at the rocks and minerals that you have and compare it to the list that I've provided directly beneath this video. The list that I've provided beneath this video are the rocks and minerals that I have in my kit, and that is what your assignments are based on. If your rock and mineral kit contains any minerals that are not listed in that list below this video, please make sure to contact me so we can make arrangements for substitutions within the minerals that you have within your kit. So that's the first thing you want to do when you receive your rock and mineral kit, is to look over this list and make sure you have all of the rocks and minerals that we will need this semester. And if you don't, let me know so I can tell you which rocks and minerals to sub in and out as you complete the lab modules. When you receive your kit, you will likely also need to put all of the rocks and minerals back into their little places. One starts down here and it snakes around. And of course you can arrange them in any way that you like, but I have not moved them since I received my kit. There are also a few items, some testing items that you may want to include into your rock and mineral kit just for convenience. Here I've added a copper penny, which is a testing tool for the Mohs hardness. The rock and mineral kit comes with a magnet, but you may want to add your own magnet, something that's a little bit larger. Of course, the larger your magnet, the stronger the magnet will be. So for some of these rocks and minerals where their magnetism is a little weak, you will be able to feel that magnetism better if you have a larger magnet. Even just a refrigerator magnet will work. I've added a nail. A steel nail is a testing tool that we can use. And you also have a streak plate. The streak plate comes included, and mine has been very well used, but yours will look nice and pretty and clean. But this is one of the most important testing tools that you will receive in your rock and mineral kit. If you do not receive a streak plate, please let me know. Finally, you will receive a magnifying glass to take closer looks at your rocks and minerals, but something that I have found is that this is a little bit too small, so if you have a larger magnifying glass, that would work great. Also, another trick that I use is that I take a picture of a sample on my phone and then I zoom in on the picture to be able to see the closer details of the rock and mineral samples. So that is a breakdown of your rock and mineral kit. If you have any questions about your rock and mineral kit when you receive it, if it's missing anything, if it doesn't have certain samples, please be sure to let me know.